Windows search bar not working, error in Windows 10. So friends, to resolve this issue, follow some easy steps. First one, right click on taskbar, then click on task manager. Click on services. Find out in this list Windows search. So you will see Windows search, W search, right click on it, then click on restart. Now close it, click on start, then type services, open services, scroll down and find out Windows search. Double click on it. Startup type, select automatic, then click on apply, then OK. Then close it. Now click on start, then type PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Now copy and paste some command line I will give in description. So copy first command line. Right click on this top bar, edit and paste. Then press enter. Now this second command line. Edit and paste. Then press enter. Now wait for a while till this procedure will be complete. Now copy this third line and paste here. Then press enter. Then close it. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix Windows search bar not working, error in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.